I'm Zoe Dempsey. I'm Business Development Director for our Transmission and Distribution Global Practice, based in Birmingham, our UK headquarters. The thing I really enjoy is when we start talking to a client that may be one of our transmission clients, and they start talking about some of the major infrastructure projects they've got. It's so exciting to be able to share with them how various teams across the organisation, and actually those teams that are now here in the UK as we continue to grow. For example, it may be 1898 & Co, our consultancy brand, supporting our client on those early site identification exercises. It may be our environmental services group, working alongside the engineering team in transmission and distribution to really make sure that they're clear on all the environmental needs and also challenges of our projects. So there's never just one Burns & McDonnell team here in the UK working on our clients' projects. We're one bigger team, and all of our teams across our business support our clients to make them successful.